Hi! In front of me is INFINIX Hot 20i, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this INFINIX. First of all, open an app that you wish to use on the top half of your screen, in my case Chrome. Then access background apps by tapping on this square button. Following that, click on the icon of your app and choose Split Screen. Then tap on any other one, like Play Store. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards or downwards and select Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!